Hello everyone, this is Melissa. I'm here with my design team project for July for Lavender Blue. I chose the kit Very French, and I did add a few pieces from the ephemera kit that she has and the floral ATC cards. I've done a soft cover. I used vinyl wallpaper and backed it with cotton, and I did leave the edges frayed all throughout. Ribbon closure, flower, doily, bits of lace, and lace on the spine. 3 signatures, about 120 pages. There is a pocket that goes the entire back. In the first pocket, we have one of the envelopes from the kit, and I added one of the bird clock digitals that Fiona has, and I left it open to journal in or glue, however you want to use it. And that tucks in here in this pocket. And first page is a bit of security envelope, washi tape, and zigzag stitch around it. This is a little piece of the security envelope zigzag into a ribbon shape. Each signature has 2 full pages of the digitals. So we have 1 front and back, and then 2. And you'll see that throughout. Another one of the bird clocks. This turned into a little pocket. This is one of the pages cut down, so quite a few times throughout the book you'll see journaling cards that are the full pages printed out half size, or I'm not sure how I did it. I think I did 2 to a page, and then backed with security envelope. I did use my tea stain paper throughout the book. Paper doily. This is a vellum envelope. Another one of the envelopes. This one is glued. Tuck your little secrets away in there. And another page. One of the tickets from the kit. And have a little pocket here with another one of the little Amour clocks. This is 2 die cuts, die cut doily and die cut Eiffel Tower, and one of the pages printed out very small and put into a ticket shape or small tag shape. Coin envelope, which is a tuck behind, a pocket here, and a tuck here. This is another one of the envelopes, printed out smaller. And this is one of the tags that I cut down, so it's just a little journaling spot. This is dot paper, and I did tea stain that. I'm not sure if that will show up. Envelope. Here are the floral ATC cards, and I did back those with tea stained index card. And they just tuck into this pocket here. And this side, window with a clear sticker, and one of the pages, again cut down. One of my security envelopes, a little bit of butterfly and flower bling. One of the tickets. And this is a postcard. Part of the digital. Index card, cranberry and tea stained. And this is one of the pages that I cut the flower out of and decoupaged it down, glued it down. Another one of my envelopes, washi tape around the edges, index card with a fussy cut of one of the pages. Decoupage napkin, again paper doily, This is, I used 2 of the ATC, floral ATC cards, and just glued them together so it fits over top the page, and a little sari silk ribbon on top. The other part of the envelope and turned it into a pocket. This is a vintage dresser scarf or doily, I'm not sure. It has a beautiful embroidered butterfly on this. I did tea stain it. Paper envelope, journaling card. And this is not part of the kit, but it's one of my favorite papers. Index card, again tea stained, and the cranberry ink, distress ink. And the pages are gorgeous. There are music paper tabs, whale tail tabs on every digital beginning and end. This is another part of a security envelope. I decoupaged on and put a little bit of black bling. Index card. And that tucks in there. This is one of the tags that I turned into a flip backed with my tea stain paper. This is a cupcake holder with paper doily, tea stained. Oops. And that just paper clips on there. You can tuck something behind, you can write on it, or just leave it for decoration. This is wallpaper belly band. This is tea stained, and it holds one of the envelopes. I didn't do any stamping anywhere in the book. Another one of the coin envelopes tucked behind, pocket, pocket. These are 2 of the bits of ephemera from the Very French kit. And one of the ATC cards cut down to a ticket shape. Fussy cut this out of one of the pages and added it onto this pocket. And one of the pages cut down, printed down, downsized for a journaling spot, and another one on this side. One of the bits of ephemera and the envelope printed out smaller. Fabric pocket, and this is one of the ephemera images. The other part of the bag, empty. That's the end of the second signature, and here is that other half of that lovely doily. Another security envelope window with washi tape and stitching, and then I fussy cut one of the balloons again and put that on there. This is a sticker that I got from a friend. This is not part of Fiona's kit. It's just paper that I love. Tea stained. I made another ribbon, paper ribbon out of that dot paper, and envelope. Another one of the pages printed smaller, and journaling spot. Oops, fumbling here. Sorry about that. And the pages really are gorgeous. I printed on a matte photo paper, or a matte presentation paper by Epson. Journaling card and pocket, and this was a fussy cut from one of the pages. Paper doily. Another fussy cut from one of the pages, put on my tea stain paper. And this is another paper bag and journaling card. One of the bits of from the ephemera kit and the ATC. And this is just an index card with the leftover piece of a cupcake holder and paper doily on index card. Decoupage napkin, paper doily, more decoupage, and another piece of that cupcake holder and paper doily. Tag from the kit and the floral ATC. And cut down one of the floral ATC cards and turned it into a tuck spot. This is a paper clip, and this is one of her vintage wallpaper digitals. A little bit of sari silk on the top, bead dangle, the clock again, and we have another one of the tags, and this is from the ephemera kit. Envelope attached to the page, flip out, and then one of the pages cut down. Index card backed and over. Here is what is that called? The flap. And I glued it down the center and on each end, and that holds two more of the tags from the kit. And this is part of the kit, and this one was her ledger paper ATCs. Slip that in there, and this one holds my Studio Mab Vintage Emporium and with my name. And in the back is another one of the tags with the vintage wallpaper on the back. And there you have it. Complete with little dangles on the bottom, and it wraps closed. Flower tucks down. That is my design team project for Lavender Blue. I do hope you enjoyed. If you like my video, please like and share it. And I hope you have a wonderful day.